Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video I will be showing you how to log in Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Messenger application. Once you open up, if you have logged into this account before, then you will get your account on this interface, or if you want to continue with the other account, tap on login with another account. Here you have to enter your mobile number or email that you have used while creating your Facebook account, and under that enter your password. And if you have trouble logging in case you forgot your password, you can simply recover if you tap on forgot password under that login button, and that will help you to recover your password. Once you're done typing in your password, then tap on login. Now if you want to save your login information for the next time you log in, you won't need to enter your password or your login information. If you want to do with that, tap on save from the save button on your interface, or else you can also tap on not now. Again, if you want to find your phone contacts in Messenger, turn on. If you tap on turn on, it will get turned on, and under that you can also go with not now. Again, tap on OK, and in this way you will be logged into your account in Facebook Messenger. So that's how you can simply log into Facebook Messenger. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.